Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 20th of October, 2022. We're going to talk about Fantom today and try to see whether or not, if the price doesn't trade above this particular price, that the market in Fantom is going to continue to crash. You guys can already see right here off the price chart that this is what I'm referring to right here on this horizontal line. This is around 21.5 cents. We need to see the price in Fantom break above this particular horizontal line, because that would tell us that that's not the case, that Fantom is not going to crash. But if it doesn't trade above this 21.5 cent level, then yes, we need to continue to consider that the price in Fantom is weak. It's just that simple. Hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you guys want the simplistic way of understanding how price movement and price action really works and how we can be more profitable than losers. Check this out. You guys can even see here over the last couple of trading days in Fantom that the buyers are coming into the market in Fantom right there around 20 cents. If the market continues holds 20 cents, then I definitely would suspect that the price and the buyers are going to try to break the market back up above 21.5 cents. Okay, so these are the two areas that we need to keep our eyes focusing on the price action to see whether or not the market's going to continue to buy, or will the sellers continue to sell here at 21.5 cents, or will the buyers continue to buy at 20 cents. Let's take a look at the chart on a different time frame real quick. Let me go ahead and fix this to an auto scale. So you guys can see here from a 3-day chart that the market in Fantom is currently still going through this process. Yes, we currently see that the sellers are currently dominating the market off of this last completed 3-day price bar. Now we got 1 day and 14 hours left on this current 3-day price bar. And if the market closes, I would say mid bar to the high of the bar, then I would say that the buyers are still coming into the market around 20 cents. Here's Fantom on the 2-day chart. You guys can see what I'm talking about as to the sellers are still dominating the price action in Fantom right now off of this rejection point of 21.5 cents. We do not want to see that if we're looking for price to go up. But seeing that we do have it, we need to say that yes, as of right now, the market in Fantom is not strong. Okay. Here's Fantom on the 5-day. The 5-day chart is where we're seeing the buyers coming in and winning against the sellers. You guys can see on this last completed 5-day price bar that the buyers came in and bought up whoever sold their Fantom in the market over the last 5 days, because the price was able to close towards the high end of the bar. Now we still have 2 days and 14 hours left on this current one, which is why it's important for us to maintain and see price hold 20 cents. See, the job is not over for the buyers yet. They did a fantastic job over the last 5 days, but we need to see it continue to get more confirmation that this is what is actually going on, and we really don't see that just yet. Okay, look at this on the weekly chart, and this is what I'm really saying in terms of the price action in Fantom continuing to go down or crashes, because look at these weekly price bars right here. The week of September the 12th, the week of September the 19th, the week of September 26th, even October the 3rd, the week of. The market in Fantom was utilizing this horizontal line as support, but then we broke it on the week of October the 10th. That is not a good thing, not for the long term. And now we're currently seeing price get rejected on that same line right now on this weekly price bar. Okay, so let me see this on the hourly chart. You guys can see that the market currently is in a upward trend. So the market action doesn't look extremely bearish. It doesn't look extremely bearish. In fact, we may even see the market run up back up towards that 21.5 cent price, only just to get tested again and see price come back down. We could possibly see the market in Fantom do this, run up, get rejected, and come all the way back down. Consider that, because that is a form of price action that we can actually run across in Fantom. The only issue is you guys can see right here how Fantom was trading sideways, but then it started making a slope downward. We may actually get the same thing here, to where the market may run up to like 21 cents and begin to make lower highs and then continue to go down, because we're still in a downtrend. Like, let's keep it real. This particular market action in Fantom is not bullish. It's still weak. So here it is, Fantom on a 3-hour chart. Let me zoom in on this real quick. And I currently like what's going on a intraday perspective as like a scalping opportunity, because the bullishness is definitely being seen over the last couple of hourly price bars. The only contention is how high price can go. We could see the market run up to 20.5 cents to 21 cents in between that area, only to get tested and then come back down. Okay, so right now I do think that from an hourly perspective, the market action in Fantom is going to go up but only just to get tested possibly around 20.5 cents to 21. That's what I'm saying right now. Okay, so now what I'm going to do on this particular video is I'm going to get rid of this last price prediction, but let me show you what we have. So if we were to get out the market now in Fantom, that's around 8.75% profitability. On the low that came in on October the 13th, I think that was a price target that I mentioned on our last video. Go back and listen. October the 2nd was the video date of when I produced that price prediction. And I believe that was one because I mentioned this day right here on June the 13th, 2022. And that's around 16% profitability. So hopefully you all were able to grab some profit out of the market in Fantom. On the daily basis, intraday basis, I would suspect price to go up. Now, is it worth putting on a price prediction? Because like I said, 20.5 cents would be first. That's 1.3% profitability. All the way up here towards 21 cents, which is around 3.5. Yeah, it's not a lot, is it? But it is what it is. So I'm going to leave it here. I'm not going to drop a price prediction into the market in Fantom. I'm just giving you ideas to what I suspect the prediction is going to be and what the market needs to do in order for it to go up. If it doesn't break this 21.5 cent price, we're going to go down. We are now recognizing that that is the case off of the price action recently. So that is my price prediction. Now I'm just sitting back, chilling out, waiting for the buyers to give me confirmation that they're willing to take price above 21.5 cents. So as we see this market run up towards these particular price levels on my price prediction, which is 20.5 cents to 21, if the buyers don't show up there, then I already know that we need to continue to be weak into our idea. That's it. So give me your thoughts. What do you think? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.